FIREUP is the company behind the first real innovation in cast iron cookware for nearly a century. In 2021, we launched our very first product on Kickstarter, the FIREUP Dutch Oven. Our Dutch ovens made their way across 1,600 kitchens in 36 countries. And now we are back, having developed our patented fin technology into yet another kitchen classic, the FIREUP Cast Iron Skillet.
Have you ever thought the pocket handkerchief is too much?
One pan that can do it all. The surface is smooth, naturally non-stick, and is designed to last a lifetime. You can use it to sear, saute, fry, and even roast or bake in it. It's compatible with induction, gas, ceramic, and goes in your ovens. Whether you're making a simple breakfast or a gourmet dinner, our skillet has you covered.